Hello trade boosters, welcome back to the final video of our EMA series on strategies based on the EMA. This is our final video. This involves a very simple indicator called Woody's CCI and our 200 EMA. All right, this works very well with the EMA. I'll show you guys how it works. First of all, you want to find a trending market. I'm going to look for a pair that actually trends. GBP JPY looks great. Great. Save it here. Cool. All right, cool. So whenever our EMA is below price, we look for buys, and whenever our EMA is above price, we look for sells. All right. I'll show you guys how it works. So whenever price breaks through our negative 100 line, which is right here, negative 100, when price breaks through, that means we are we're oversold, and we want to start looking for buys. When we're looking for buys, we look for candlestick patterns like engulfing candles. Like here, we've got an engulfing candle right here. Take a nice buy, stop loss right here, and take profit above the highs. All right, now we have another breakthrough here. Price is broken through our negative 100, showing us price is oversold. Have a nice engulfing candle here. Stop loss underneath these lows. That was a nice trade. Similar to this one over here. Price is broken here, giving us a nice engulfing candle, as you can see, and we have a nice trade here. This is a very nice uptrend because we can capitalize as much as possible. You can see we have a nice engulfing candle here. Hold on a minute. We have a nice engulfing candle here, but at that point, yes, we did break through our minus 100. As you can see, stop loss here. That was a nice profit. So you can see it works. And then when the EMA is below price, let me show you guys an example. When the EMA is below price, you look for price to break below our 100 right here. You look for an engulfing candle, and you want to target the lows. You can see there, very simple 1, 2, 3 strategy. Try it out, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.